Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to session 4 of topic numbers in math. Today we are going to discuss International System of Writing Numbers. Already in our second session of this chapter, we discussed Indian system of writing numbers. So there are some differences in these two systems of writing numbers, Indian system and international system. So let's see what are these differences. In the international system, the periods are ones, thousands and millions. 3 digits come under each period. In the international system, the place value chart is as follows. So consider the number 28 crore 34 lakh 8,957. So if we have this number, so according to the Indian international system of writing numbers, we will put every digit in this chart. So we have 3 periods first of all, that are 1, 1000 and million, and each of them we have 3 digits. So in 1 we have 1, 10 and 100, then in 1000 we have again 1, 10 and 100, and in million we have 1, 10 and 100 again. So according to this chart, from right side we have digit 7 in our number. So this 7 will go under 1. Its place value is 1. Then the next digit from right side is 5. It goes under 10. Then the next digit is 9. So it goes under 100. So here the period once completed. Now the next digit in our given number is 0. So it will goes under 1000. Then the next digit is 8. It will goes under 10,000. Then the next digit is 4. It will goes under 100,000. So here the second period completed. Third period started from here. So the digit is 3. It will come under 1 million. The next digit is 8. So it will come under 10 million. And the last digit 2 will come under 100 million. Here we will not use crore, 1 crore, 10 crore, lakh, 10 lakh. So these are the differences. In Indian system of writing numbers, we have periods as 1, thousands, lakhs and crores. And in ones we have 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds. And in thousands we have 1,000 and 10,000. And then we have 2 digits in lakhs, that is 1 lakh and 10 lakh. Similarly, in crores we have 1 crore and 10 crore. So you can see these differences. And now putting commas between periods in the international system, we write this number as from if we will start from right side, so we will give comma after first period, that is 1. So under 1 there comes 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds. So after 3 digits we will give first comma. Then again this after 3 digits we will give second comma, because every period has 3 digits in it. Then we will have 3 digits afterwards. So like this, only 2 commas are coming here according to international system of writing numbers. We read and write it as 283,443,000. 488,957. A comparison between the Indian system and the international system place value charts is given in the next slide. Let's see. Now the comparison between Indian system and international system. Here we can easily compare Indian system and international system by seeing this table. The upper table is showing us Indian system and the lower table is showing us international system of writing numbers. See, in the Indian system we have 4 periods: 1,000, lakh and crores. But in international system we have 3 periods only: 1,000 and million. So in international system we are having here three parts in every period. See, in ones we have ones, tens and hundreds. Then in thousands we have 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Similarly in million we have 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. But in Indian system only in the first period ones we have 3 parts: ones, tens and hundreds. And for rest of the others we have 2 parts in each of these. Like in thousands we have 1,000 and 10,000 only. In lakhs we have 1 lakh and 10 lakhs. And in crores we have 1 crore and 10 crores. So these are the differences. So we can say, by comparing these two tables, we can have the conclusion: 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 and 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million and 10 crores is equal to 100 million. Let's go through these examples so we can understand international system of numbers. So the first example is: write the following numbers in the international place value chart and write in words. So the first number is given here: 2,64,39,870. As we know, international system of numbers have 3 periods only: 1,000 and million, and each of them have 3 parts. Ones have 3 parts, thousands have 3 parts and millions have 3 parts. So we will start putting digits of this number from right side. So from right side we have 0. So 0 will come under 1, 7 will come under 10, 8 will come under 100. Here the first period completed and the second period started. So the next digit 9 will come under 1,000. Next digit 3 will come under 10,000 and the next digit 4 will come under 100,000. Here the second period of thousands completed and the third period of millions started. So the next digit 6 will come under 1 million and the next last digit 2 will come under 10 million. Now this chart will make easy to read these numbers. So we can read this number easily now. That is 26,439,870. Similarly, you can solve the second example of putting digits in place value chart. Let's move to example number 2. Write the following numbers in words according to the international system. So the first number is here: 74,21,638. I am reading this number according to Indian system of numbering, but we have to write the name of this number according to international system of numbering. So we will put first of all commas between these digits, so it will make easy to read this number according to International System of Numbering. As we know, international systems put commas after every three digit in the number. So we will start from right side. So from right side, initial three digits are 8, 3 and 6. We will put comma after 6. Then again the next three digits are 1, 2 and 4 from right side. So we will put comma after 4. As we put commas here, so now reading of this number is easy for us. So the number is 7,421,638. Let's move to example number 3. Write the place value of 7 in the following numbers. Let's read the first number according to International System of Numbering. So the number is given here, 72,582,932. So in this number we have to find out the place value of 7. So 7 is on the place of 10 million. So we will write it as 70 million or 70 millions, as 7 is in the 10 millions place value. Similarly, you can solve B bit of example 3 also. Here is the assignment number 4 for you, which is totally based on the study we did right now. So hope you all will solve it and send it to me. Thank you.